Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see routing. So we have seen that whenever I am going to my folder and then if I go to just my folder, I am able to see these directories on the browser, which should not happen, right? And when I go to public, then only I am able to see this page, right? So what I want is whenever I am loading my local host, that time only my project folder, that time only I should be able to see that page, whatever is this public. So basically I want to remove this public from my URL or my routing, right? So for this, what I can do, see, it is pointing to public folder and in public it is going to index.php, right? So this file, I will copy these two files from the public folder htss and my index.php, and I will paste it in my root folder. Okay. Now next, go to your apps folder. In apps, in config you have app.php. So see here it is routing to index page is routing to index.php. So now I'll remove this. And in my base URL, my URL is localhost 8080. So after localhost in my URL, if you can see, I have to give my folder name and then my then I have to write public, and inside public index.php is there. Now index.php I have moved to my root folder. So here in localhost only I will write my code, my folder name as well, my project folder name. So this will become my base URL. So we have done these two changes in app.php and we have moved our index.php and ht file to our root folder. See here index.php and htss. Now let's see what happens when I go to my folder. Okay, one more change you need to do. The file that you have copied index.php, here it is directing to, it is going one folder up. So we need to remove this and we'll just say app, go to app, config and paths. So see now on my project folder, root folder, I am able to see this welcome page, first page. And where that is getting loaded from my default controller, which is home. Now for example, if I write one more method here, let's say I say dashboard, and I won't return any view, instead let's just echo that this is dashboard page, and this is nothing but home page, because on your root usually you show your home page, right? So see, now I am able to see I am going to my home page, and if I want to go to my dashboard, in URL directly I will write the method name. So it is giving me 404. Why? Because see, first it will go to the controller class, right? So index page is directly getting loaded because here in the index.php I have given the app.php I have given the base URL as my complete project folder. So it is directly going to this URL and the index method. But if I want to access my dashboard, this function, this page, then I will have to give the controller name as well. So home and then my dashboard. So this is how routing is done in your CodeIgniter 4. So basically I can have as many methods as I want, and those pages I can call on that specific method. So let's say I say contact, so it is nothing but the contact page. So now if I want to go to contact, your class name, that is home, and then the method name, that is contact. So this is how routing you can do in your CodeIgniter 4 project.